Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Fidelity annuity. Alright, if you've been wondering how to set up a Fidelity annuity, this video is definitely going to help you out with that. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste any time at all. I'm just going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Fidelity account. You can choose to log in on the mobile app on your mobile device, or you can choose to log in on the online website. Now, once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on investment products, and then you're going to select annuities. And here it's going to initiate the annuity setup process, where you're going to need to provide the required information. Of course, one of those is the annuity goals. Once all that is set up, you just want to choose the annuity options, and then you're going to need to confirm the annuity details. So just go over the details one more time, make sure everything is accurate, and once that's confirmed, you can monitor the annuity activity right here on Fidelity. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a Fidelity annuity. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next